Good morning, folks. Lee, the Pit Village Trader, with a Friday morning update. Quite a nice little update this morning when I logged in, and I was happy to see the stats for the day. But before I get to that, have you checked pitvillagetrader.co.uk yet? It is my website that contains all of my videos, all of my useful posts about how much money I lost in the first 2 years of my trading and the journey that I've been on since that time. And really, I don't have a lot to say today. I just wanted to log in, give you a quick scan of the account. You've seen this account progress over the last 10 days or so now. So I hope this serves as a good indication of what's possible when you get into that frame of mind where you turn on your positions in the morning, you have a cup of tea, and you then take a distant view, go outside, go and live some real life. All right. Number one lesson: life before trading. Okay, guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to say today. But yeah, we'll have a little chat while we're in here on the positions that are moving in our favour. Key group is the largest position size that I took. We doubled down on that quite early on in the process, if you remember. And we're just going to have a little look at the chart, just so you can see that even though the move has not been that great, this is where we got in. Our first position, this first white dot. This is where we got in. We doubled down on our second white dot, and since then, we've had a nice little run down. There may be an opportunity now to, let's just zoom in so you can see. There could be an opportunity now to pull that stop down. Okay, so my stop currently is at 363. I opened the position at 332, so my stop was roughly 30 points away from where I opened the position. We could now bring that stop down to the opening position, and that would, if we did that, that would mean that this position will not lose us any money. Okay, so if we pull the stop down, so if we click on that again and we bring the stop down to the position where we got in, or just above where we got in, even below where we got in. So if we could move the stop to a profit point is what I'm saying, so that we got in here, our stop is currently here, the price has dropped to here, so we could bring that stop down now so that if the price suddenly starts to go against us, it will hit our stop and we will come out of the trade, therefore breaking even and not losing any money on this trade at all if things turn against us. So that is one option that we can consider. It's probably not an option that I'll take now. What are we now? We're sort of, we're 26 points in our direction, so we could bring the stop down, to 10 points above, so that we ensure that we make £200 profit in this position. Or we could just, we'll leave it and let it run, because as I always say, my trading is it is not based on small moves. I will probably hold. I do like to hold for as long as I can whilst I'm in winning positions, and even to the point where I add to winning positions. This is a weak share. There's no reason at the moment to see that this to see any greed in this share. I can't see any reason that this is going to suddenly change direction. So I think I'll just leave it for the moment, and maybe I'll bring the stop down. In fact, because we're running this demo, let's do it. Let's choose our position. Let's bring the stop down to here, which is above any recent, slightly above any recent moves, and we'll do the same for the second position that we opened. So that now our loss or our maximum loss has been reduced on these two trades because we've reduced that stop. And effectively what this is called is a trailing stop. So as a position moves in your direction, either up or down, you bring that stop down in accordance with your profit levels, and therefore ensuring that you break even. That means you don't lose any money, or you lock in your profits as the price moves. So it's a good little example today, a good little short lesson. And we'll just leave the others as they are, that everything looks fine. And that's really all I'm going to do today. I'm going to be stuck into some other stuff, actually. I'm going to start putting some other videos together on a bit more on stock selection, a bit more on time frames, just bits and pieces, and a bit more on lifestyle, actually, a bit more on, the things that matter in life for me anyway, which is family and that time. Profits are greater than time in the sense, so you only have so much time. It's very important that you don't lose all of your time in this kind of stuff, which is why when I see day traders and guys who have like 25 screens and they're sitting there and like that's not a good lifestyle for me. Like, what's the point of being? All right. I guess if you are very good at it and you're making a lot of money, but at some point, money becomes like, it's scientifically proven that when you earn so much money and all your basic needs are met, so you've got the house that you want, you've got the car that you want, you've got the laptop that you want, all these are the base material things. Once you've achieved those things, the level of money beyond that point, it does not correlate to your level of happiness, and which is why you find a lot of wealthy people with that emptiness and not feeling that kind of satisfaction with what they've done. So I've said a million times before, you could be on your deathbed with a fat bank balance, and you could be thinking to yourself, bloody hell, I was a bloody good trader, but where was my life? What did I do in my life? Because when it's all said and done, did you fulfill yourself in all of these other ways? Anyway, it's a whole philosophical debate, and it's a good place to find some of the answers to deeper questions like that is in the Tao of Pooh, which is a book based on the Pooh Bear from 100 Acre Wood and Taoism, and how it distills the ancient wisdom of Taoism in the words of Winnie the Pooh. Interesting, fantastic read. Links are below if you're interested in that. That's all for today. Things are looking quite good for me. It is the weekend. Fridays are always exciting for many reasons. One, because it's 2 days with the kids and family and going to see cool things and do cool things. In fact, I think we're going rock pooling this weekend, which is amazing. And the bands are going to be over the moon trying to find crabs and stuff. But weekends are always time for noise in the world of trading. Sometimes get big moves on Fridays as the inside traders, the guys who know the insides and know something's going to happen, and you sometimes see those big moves on Fridays. So it's always exciting times going into the weekend and waking up on Monday, logging into your account and then catching up on all of it and seeing in price action how all that bullshit that you've read in the news over the weekend has affected price action. It's an interesting time. Anyway, have an amazing day, guys. Have a fantastic weekend. Spend time with your family if you've got a family. Do spend time with your friends, and just take the time out to chill and enjoy life. I'll see you next time. Have an amazing weekend. Be happy and trade well. Cheers. Bye.